Hey guys, so I paused recording for a second because I was struggling to get this wing off, but I just wanted to show you what the situation is with this wing. Obviously, we've got quite a heavy bit of corrosion from where this has been touching the wing, and then what ends up happening, water falls behind, and you get corrosion. It's quite normal, but basically I couldn't get the screw out at all down here, so I had to completely drill it out. It looks like they did the same on the other side. Also, someone's done a bit of a poor repair here where they've welded. So I'll probably go back and do this. But for now, we're going to clean this up just to make it a little bit nicer to preserve the car. And all of you can do this as well. You wouldn't need a welder or anything to do that. The wing, the same. The bottom of the wing was all corroded. So yeah, we're going to attack this now. What we're going to use a drill and a wire wheel. And we're just going to wire wheel all of this until this is clean. I'm going to tape the door, tape back the sill about here so I don't cut too much of the paint in because I don't want to go too far across with it. And we're just going to clean it up and protect it. Just to give us the protection so we don't end up damaging this. Okay. Now we're going to take our wire wheel, attach it to our drill. I'd advise you wear gloves for this and a mask. Just so you don't get anything in your eyes. The last thing you want to do is have to go to a hospital. Get my mask on. I've lost my gloves now. Okay. That's that cleaned up the best I'm going to get it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to treat the metal. So I'm going to use a rust treatment. What I'm going to use is a Jelulite product. It's a Jelulite rust converter. You can get other things on the market. You can get stuff that's better than this stuff. Obviously, do your own research. But we're just going to spray this onto the panel. And we're going to leave that to soak. We're going to leave that 15 minutes. And after that, we're going to reapply after 30 minutes. Usually you'd wait 3 hours and then you'd paint. So we're going to wait and then we're going to come back. Right, we've waited our 3 hours, and now you can see that the metal's completely dry and cured. What we're now going to do, we're going to apply a red oxide primer to it. It's basically a paint to kind of protect it. Buzzworld do a really good one. Look them up. They do some great stuff for us protecting your car. At some point, we will do the whole underneath of this car with their products, so we will cover that. So we're going to apply it on with a brush. You can spray it on. You can do it however you like. I like applying it on with a brush just because it's easier. Just going to stir it up a little bit. Okay. And we're just going to go. Right, that's the first coat. We're going to leave that to dry and then we're going to reapply another coat, followed by a third coat. Right, now we've let the red oxide primer dry. We are going to apply one more coat. We're going to apply a coat of U-Pole Satin Black. This is just to make it look more presentable. Eventually, we're going to do the whole underneath of the car, and we're going to use a different product, but this is just for now. If you're doing this to your own car and you are doing a conversion like I'm going to do, or you are doing some sort of work to the front end, I would advise just to do this anyway to basically protect your wings long term. Remember, if you leave it, the rust is just spreading and it will only get worse as time goes along, and it gets worse very quickly. So we're going to give the can a shake up, and we're just going to apply the satin black to the area. Remember again, control. That's our area covered.